Rabies. Rabies is also known as hydrophobia. Hydrophobia means extreme fear of water. It is a highly fatal viral disease that causes inflammation of the brain in human and other mammals. It is also known as hydrophobia. It is a fatal viral disease causes inflammation in brain of human. It is caused by virus Lisa virus type 1. Then transmission of rabies to human 95% bite, scratches and licks from infected animals. This three way only it will transmit to human. Louis Fisher was first person to diagnose that rabies targeted the central nerve system. He only first find out this rabies virus targeted central nerve system. In 1890, he created rabies vaccine and saved a 9-year-old boy. Then morphology, this one is bullet shaped single stranded RNA negative sense virus. This one have envelope. This red color part name is called as envelope. This one is made up of lipid bilayer. This is called nucleocapsid protein. Then this spiral part name is called RNA negative strand. This one is RNA polymerase enzyme. This coiled green color inside, that name is called as matrix. This spike name is called as glycoprotein. So it have enveloped part, then RNA polymerase, RNA negative strand molecules, then matrix, then glycoprotein. This nucleocapsid helical symmetry, then glycoprotein, most of them pathogenic one. It will cause neuroinvasiveness, pathogenicity and hemagglutinin activity. This nucleocapsid is non-pathogenic one. Glycoprotein only pathogenic one. This one is non-pathogenic one. Then antigenic property. It have only one serotype but 7 antigenic variant. Glycoprotein non-pathogenic one. Nucleoprotein is pathogenic one. Now we see about difference between that glycoprotein and nucleoprotein. Where this one is present, envelope. It is a species specific. This one is pathogenic one, binds to acetylcholine receptor in neutral tissue. Then it causes neuroinvasiveness and hemagglutinin activity. Then it also used for diagnosis antibody detection by hemagglutination inhibition test. Then it also used in immunity neutralizing antibody which are productive in nature and also stimulate cytotoxic T cell. Then it also used for vaccination also. Purified form of this antigen can be used for subunit vaccine. Second one is nucleoprotein. This one is where it is found nucleocapsid. This one is group specific. This one species specific. This one is group specific. This one is non-pathogenic one. This one is pathogenic one. It will cause us neuroinvasiveness. But this one non-pathogenic one. It also used for diagnosis purpose, antibody detection by complement fixation test and antigen detection direct immunofluorescence test. Then here antibody is not productive, so not used for vaccination. Then animal susceptibility, very highly susceptible animal fox, highly susceptible animal cat, moderate dog. This dog only infected humans. Then types of rabies virus, two different types is there, street virus and fixed virus. Street virus recovered from naturally occurring cases of rabies is called street virus recovered from naturally occurring cases. This one has short and fixed incubation period, so it is called fixed virus. It has short and fixed incubation period, so it is called fixed virus. Then sources, this one is naturally occurring virus found in saliva of infected animals. Where it is present? Saliva of infected animals. This one is prepared by repeated culture in brain of rabbit, such as its incubation is reduced and fixed. This one naturally occurring. This one is we will prepared. Then putures, it produced negri bodies. Incubation period 20 to 60 days. Pathogenic for all mammals. Cannot be used for preparation of vaccine. But this one does not form any negri bodies. Incubation period 4 to 6 days. This one is pathogenic to human under certain condition only. Used to preparation of vaccine. So this one not used for vaccine preparation. This one used for vaccine preparation. Now we see about pathogenesis. Through that dog bite only this virus enter to human body. Virus enter via bite of animal. Then this virus replicate muscles at the site of bite. This virus will start to replicate in the muscle part. Then it will enter to the peripheral nerve system. Where it will enter? Peripheral nerve system. Fourth one, this virus replicate in dorsal root ganglion and travel to spinal cord of the brain to brain. Then it will infect that brain particles. Then this virus travel from brain via nose to other tissues such as eye, kidney, salivary gland. Through animal bite only this virus enter to human body. Then first it will replicate to muscles. Then it will replicate peripheral nerve system. Then central nerve system. Then it will affect brain. It also affect other tissues such as eyes, kidney and salivary gland. Then what happened to brain? Mononuclear cells come to brain. Mononuclear cell infiltration, perivascular cuffing of lymphocytes, baby's nodules consisting of glial cells, negri body formation. What is negri bodies? In brain neuron they are intracytoplasmic eosinophilic inclusions. These negri bodies are viral protein and viral RNA particles. Negri bodies detected brain after the postmortem. It will used for diagnosis of postmortem. Negri bodies commonly observed in Purkinje cells of cerebellum, pyramidal neuron of hippocampus, less frequently seen in cortical and brainstem neurons. Where it is observed? Purkinje cells of cerebellum, pyramidal neuron of the hippocampus and less frequently seen in cortical and brainstem neuron. So what happened to brain? This one is mononuclear cell infiltration, then perivascular cuffing of lymphocytes, baby nodules consisting of glial cells, then negri body formation. This negri body is observed in Purkinje cell of cerebellum and pyramidal neuron of hippocampus, then less frequently seen in cortical and brainstem neuron.